puffy his tires are.
You like the way the tires are right now?
Yeah, the way you are right now.
Intense climb. Right, it is 1:37. We're on the Mohawk Trail. Look at the pea soup that we're driving through. Visibility probably about 50, maybe 75 feet. Crazy. We're heading to Black Brook. That's our next destination. All right. Campground, heading out for a great adventure. I think we got 5 rigs on the road. It's 19-30 hours and we're gonna have a great time. So here we go.
Box full of gold.